Vertical feeds are absolutely blowing up, and if you treat long videos like they only live on YouTube, you are missing a massive opportunity. You should be scaling that long-form content into short, snackable clips right now, and I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it. Hey, I'm Alex from Vizard, and we help creators stop wrestling with editors and start putting out content that actually performs well. If you create podcasts or live streams, you have absolute gold just waiting to be mined for short clips without spending hours. Platforms today heavily reward vertical content like Reels and Shorts because the attention economy is completely unforgiving. Manually editing all those clips for every platform is simply not a sustainable workflow for consistent posting. That is precisely why a smart, streamlined workflow matters, moving you past just hunting through hours of raw footage. With Vizard, the AI instantly finds the moments that actually land, the best jokes and key reactions, and auto-edits them for you. It's light touch editing that respects context, picks clean jump cuts, and makes clips feel native to each platform. This is critical because data shows 85% of people watch short videos on mute, so your initial hook must be immediate. Vizard specifically isolates and selects those crucial hook moments for you before you even look at the timeline. Plus, it outputs multiple polished clips from that single long file so you can post consistently without starting from scratch daily. Let me walk you through how incredibly simple this entire transformative process actually is for any creator. First, you film the long source video using whatever camera you have. Your phone is perfectly fine for the raw material. After that, you simply upload that single file to the Vizard platform for immediate processing. Within minutes, the platform returns a batch of suggested clips, each featuring a thumbnail and a short description of the moment. You can then preview every single one, tweak the start and end points, and choose exactly which ones you want to keep. If you are swamped, select the auto-edit option where Vizard crops, adds clean jump cuts, and optimizes for your chosen platform. But if you love control, you can dive in to adjust the specific cuts, add custom captions, or swap the thumbnail easily. The entire interface is built to be fast and snappy, which honestly feels like half the battle won when cranking out high-volume content. Now, there are other editing titans like Premiere, but they require a huge time investment and a steep learning curve for clip creation. Cheaper mobile apps might trim well, but they fall apart when you need true batch processing capabilities for many videos. Some AI clip makers spike your costs with per-minute pricing or deliver sloppy clips with bad crop choices and transitions. Vizard strives to thread that needle, faster than desktop software and smarter than basic apps at finding viral moments. We designed the workflow so it never feels like a stuffy ad tool. Instead, it feels like your intuitive co-editor. Let me hit 3 things that make this click, focusing on what matters most for performance and quick creation. First, the auto-editing of viral clips is where the AI analyzes energy spikes and repeat-worthy phrases to find the electrifying moment. This results in a stack of potential viral clips without you ever needing to scrub through an entire hour of footage manually. The second key feature is the auto-schedule, where you set the frequency and the system cues the clips to keep your channel active. You won't need to babysit a separate scheduler because the AI intelligently spaces things out to prevent burning through your backlog too fast. The third major benefit is the content calendar, which keeps everything visible in one single, unified place for easy management. From that calendar, you can edit captions, change thumbnails, shuffle dates, and publish directly to multiple platforms without switching apps. Always use these clips naturally, as TikTok might like raw energy, while Reels might prefer a cleaner, more polished look. As a practical tip, always preview the suggested start point, nudging the in-out points if the best beat is half a second earlier. Never forget captions because they dramatically increase overall view time and engagement even if people watch on mute. If you like to brand your clips, Vizard supports quick presets for fonts and colors so you can apply your exact look across the whole batch instantly. Here is a bonus tip. Quickly trim awkward starts on your phone first so the AI has cleaner source material to work with. Also, for longer episodes, break them into logical segments before uploading to help the AI group semantically meaningful content. Compared to manual editors or paying an assistant for every clip, Vizard is fast, consistent, and engineered for massive content scale. It won't replace all human creativity, but it successfully cuts out the tedious, repetitive grind of the production dirty work for you. When you finalize a batch, you can download the straight-to-platform formats or let the auto-scheduler handle the publishing queue. If a clip does well, simply repurpose it by changing the thumbnail or caption to maximize the return on that initial recording effort. The ultimate goal is converting just 1 hour of recording into enough evergreen content to last your socials an entire week or more. So recap, film long, upload to Vizard, let the AI find viral moments, tweak, schedule, and publish to feed your channels consistently. If you want to learn how to fully optimize these clips, check out my next walkthrough on thumbnail hacks and caption strategies. For now, go film something great, upload it, and let Vizard do the heavy lifting so you can focus on better ideas or just get more sleep. I'm Alex from Vizard, and I'll catch you in the next one where we break down repurposing one podcast episode into a month of short posts. Peace.